eggplant, brinjal, talong, wambato. It's all this. Differs in color, differs in size, differs in how it looks, but they're all the same.
It comes in different
Talong.
sizes in different countries.
Yes, normally talong
Different
or eggplant
colors.
goes in different sizes.
Same like the men. Different
Okay,
colors,
anyway,
different sizes.
2, 4, 5. Two. They also sell coconut, guys, and corns and sweet potatoes. And I will just show a small haul of what are the items that we purchased.
So, first thing is this one. This is my 1 week consumption. Only me is drinking this, so I always make sure that I have a soda, and it's a clear soda. I want to drink this on the ones that it's like. So this one cost me like 200 rupees. 200 rupees is like more than $1. $1, right? Yeah, more than $1. And then Filipino can't live without ketchup. And in Sri Lanka, most people they're using a tomato sauce. Even for the dipping, they use tomato sauce. But I'm a Filipino, so I have the ketchup. And so this one, ketchup. And this cost me, how much is this? Cost me 325 rupees. That's expensive. So it's like around $1.75. And then I have this fresh milk for the coffee and the tea. So fresh milk. It's a non-fat milk, and I bought this for, what's the price? 250 rupees. 250 rupees, so it's like $1.25. Then Filipino love pancit bihon. So stir-fry noodles. So this is the one that I use in Sri Lanka. It's very hard to find the noodles. They love noodles, but they're using a rice noodles, which is like very simple. I love pasta, spaghetti. So I love spaghetti. So I requested this from my husband. So I have this spaghetti. It cost me 215 rupees. 215 rupees is around like $1 is 185 cents, like $1.25 or something. And for the seasoning, I don't use cubes because sometimes it doesn't help. So I bought this one. It's like a 5 packets inside 100 rupees. So it's like 50 with that. And my husband loves carbonara, but he's scared to eat it with the long pasta. So we always stick with the spiral. So this one cost me 199 rupees. That's 400 grams spiral noodles. And then this one is normally I would scrape a fresh coconut, but today we don't have time. It's quite late and it's raining. So just for tonight, because I'm gonna cook a pork curry tonight. So tonight, I'm gonna make a pork curry. So I bought this coconut milk in a packet. That's 85 rupees. And then it's my hubby who wants this, and he took this. This is what do you call this one? Strawberry flavored jelly. So I will do this for him and keep it in the fridge. That's 90.
I just bought I think it's like a quarter cut of the one whole watermelon. I saw that it's freshly cut, so I bought it because one whole is too big for us. It's only me and him. And then sometimes it's safer to buy the one that's already cut because you can see what's inside. Sometimes if you buy the whole one, it's not like in the Philippines that they can cut a small piece and show to you how it's inside. Here, No, you are not allowed to do that. So it's just a guessing game only. So sometimes if you get home, you pay the large amount of money because it's sold per kilo, but then it will be fully white, not it, you don't even feel like eating it. So I saw that the color is nice, so I bought this. We were not going to eat this anyway fresh like this. Normally we will make the watermelon juice or watermelon shake.
So this one cost me, I don't know the price. I don't know how much is it. Mushroom. Hubby love this so much. Too much. Hey, my husband loves mushrooms. That's 90 rupees. It's freshly picked from the farm and packed. We always have this. And this one is my choice. Tofu. Tofu is like a bean curd or something like a bean curd. Yeah, soya tofu. And this cost me 1 rupees 50. 150 rupees, sorry. 150 rupees, so not even $1. $1, sorry. And then I need some deodorant. So I tried this one, Enchant Pure, Alluring, Anti-Perspirant. So this one is 475 rupees. That's only for me. My husband is using the different brand, men's. And this one is mango. This one also I saw that it's freshly cut. And then we will make this a mango shake tomorrow lunch. And it costs 90 rupees. A flower. 90 rupees. And what else? Yeah. So, pork. We're trying to look for a fresh meat, but here it's very difficult. Maybe we can find it only like in marketplace. But today it's raining, guys. We're supposed to go somewhere for the presentation to vlog, but it's raining. The weather really didn't cooperate. So we just bought this like curry pork. Actually, it's not curry pork. It's cut. Right? It's cut and it's frozen. So this is what I'm gonna cook tonight. As for our dinner, it will be a pork curry. And then papadam. Sri Lankan favorite, not really favorite, but this is a part of their food every time. It's like it's like a crackers. Yeah, it's like a crackers. Like, I mean, if they always just want to have this for the texture, right? Just for the texture and give some flavorings also. So it's like one packet actually to like maybe 10 pieces, 8 pieces, so 1 to 3 pieces is enough. But to my husband, 3 is not enough. It will be like 4.
How much?
How much is this? This is 65 rupees. 65 rupees. Not even $1, yeah. So it's like around
50 cents.
not even 40, maybe 50 cents. It's like 90.
Yeah.
Yeah, so something like that. Garlic. In Sri Lanka, they call this suduluno. Suduluno or garlic. So this one is 510 rupees a kilo. And this is only weight 0.96 grams. And it cost me 48 rupees and 96 cents. 3, I don't know what to call, not pieces, but I don't know what to call. And
Bugs.
chow chow. Chow chow or
Ginger.
sayote. In Philippines, we call this sayote. In Sri Lanka, we call this what?
Chow chow.
Also chow chow. And even it's also chow chow, I think. So this one is for
Nice.
my tinola. Or you can saute this also. So this is it. I don't know what you call this in your country, guys. Baby. I'm not English. Then, my husband, from the time that we stay together, he learned how to eat this. In Sri Lanka, normally they cook this. They will dry it. And just saute it. But then, Filipino love to eat this. In Sri Lanka, they call this karawela. Karawela. In Tagalog, this is called ampalaya.
No, it's ampalaya. Ampalaya.
This is called ampalaya. So, normally they will say, if you still stalking your ex, then you are bitter. In Filipino, they call this you are ampalaya because this is bitter. But it depends on the way you want to cook it, and you can cook it without any bitter taste. My husband loves this with the egg, Filipino style cooking. So, he's the one who chooses this one.
With the
So,
itlog.
2 pieces, yeah. Itlog. Itlog is eggs in the Philippines. And my husband remember only that. I think in English they call this, it depends, right? Is
Bitter
it
gourd.
American English? American English is better, bitter gourd. I think it's bitter gourd. I don't know either. But some people call this better melon. Some people they call this bitter gourd. Anyhow, it's bitter. And that is, the price is, where's the price? That's 500 in. Anyway, that's 512 grams. 1 kilo is 390. That's 512 grams, and it cost me 1 rupees 99 cents, so like around $1.
One
$1.
rupee, 100 rupees.
100 rupees 99. 199 rupees, sorry. 199 rupees. And inguro. Inguro, in Tagalog, luya. In English is, guess what, baby ko? Ginger. So this is for my tinola. So ginger here is gold. 1 kilo is 290. Actually, this time it's cheaper. Sometimes it will go up like up to 600 a kilo, right? So this time it's cheaper. It's 290, and it's only 0.078 grams, 22 rupees 62 cents for this piece. And I have some tomato. Tomato, I don't know. But I prefer to call it tomato. I think for British they like tomatoes. But for Americans it's tomato. And in Sri Lanka they call this takali. In Philippines they call this kamatis.
Kamatis.
And 160 rupees a kilo. This is 2.272 grams. It cost me 43 rupees 52 cents. Luno. Rato luno.
No, rato
Bombay
luno.
luno.
Ah.
Okay. Sri Lanka they call this rato luno. Rato luno, Bombay luno, Sudu luno, I don't know. But they call also soft luno. I don't know how to
No, it's lunu and then the lunu.
Okay, so it's a pronunciation matters. Let's not discuss about it. This is Bombay luno. Bombay luno is red color. I don't know what they call it.
No, Bombay.
In Kaya, this is Bombay. In Tagalog, this is sibuyas. In English, this is onion. Red onion. And 210 rupees a kilo. This is 0.784 grams. It cost me 164 rupees and 64 cents for that. More than half a kilo.
And brinjal. There's a different types of brinjals also. Colors. In other countries, it's like short and stout and purple, very purple. They have here also long and purple, long and thin. Anyway, everything is brinjal. British is brinjal. English is eggplant. Tagalog is talong. Sri Lanka is wombato.
What is called aubergine?
Aubergines. Yeah,
Aubergine.
other countries they call it also aubergines. So aubergines, eggplant, brinjal, talong, wombato. It's all this. differs in color, differs in size, differs in how it looks, but they're all the same.
It comes in different
Talong.
sizes in different countries.
Yes, normally talong
Different
or eggplant
colors.
goes in different sizes.
Same like the men. Different
Okay,
colors,
anyway,
different sizes.
2, 4, 5.
2 for 5 pieces is 522 grams, 290 rupees a kilo. So these 5 pieces cost me 151 rupees and 38 cents. And yellow lentils. This is my husband's gravy. They call this dal in Sri Lanka.
Parippo.
Dal. But if you cook it, it's parippo.
No, that's parippo.
What is this dal?
It's in English.
Is it dal in English?
Yeah.
It's Indian, I think. I don't know dal in English. I know it's lentils. It's a type of lentils.
It's
There you go.
Mysore dal.
Mysore dal. I think it's
Yeah.
Indian.
Yeah.
Indian, Mysore dal. And Sri Lanka, every meal, they will have this parippo. And it's 190 rupees a kilo. I bought only for 500 grams, so this is 548 grams. And that's 65 rupees 21 cents. This one will take maybe a week. And then zucchini. Yeah. I love zucchini, guys. I love zucchini, especially for vegetable pasta. Or I can just boil it or cut into small pieces and cook it with deep fry it and cook it with the egg. Or just simple as vegetable. And I bought this one actually alternate to mushroom because I will be making a carbonara. Instead of putting mushrooms, I will use zucchini. And this one is, normally zucchini is expensive. So this is 490 rupees a kilo. And this is 342 grams. And this one piece cost me 167 rupees and 58 cents. That's it. And then after that's all that I bought in the grocery. And on our way home, economy packs, I prefer to buy from the small shops. Like
Sari-sari
small
store.
sari-sari store. In the Philippines, we call it sari-sari store. My phone is itchy. Anyway,
No,
so
expenditure.
I bought eggs. Red eggs. One piece is, I don't know, I think it's like 23 rupees one piece. So I bought 5 pieces. Normally, guys, I don't buy bulks. Only I go to the supermarket in the what you call this, once a week, just to buy the other stuff. But the rest, my husband can buy. I forgot about this one. I also bought this one. This is dishwashing liquid. And this cost me 100 rupees 20 cents. 120 rupees. And then, yeah, so economy tax. You will be wondering what is this, guys. This is goraka.
Goraka. I don't know what is the English of this, but this is how is it. It just become black if it's dry, and it's sour. People in Sri Lanka use this as a tenderizer. The reason I bought this because I'm gonna cook a pork curry. So this is a tenderizer. If you put this on the food, first thing because of the sour, it has a citrusy taste. It's the peel of the fruits. Like it's a one fruit. If it's fresh, you can eat inside. It looks like a mangosteen, right? So it's a huge. Actually, we have a plant right in front, but they don't have a fruit. So it's like I will post a picture here of how it look like if it's fresh. Yeah, so I will put a picture on this corner, how it look like if it's fresh. And then inside is like a mangosteen. Actually, I already tried. And this is the peel. They will dry it. I think it will become like this. Then you just mix this with the bed. If you're cooking some meat, you just put this one. First thing, it will remove the something like the fishy taste of the meat. And the other one, it's a tenderizer. The real purpose of this is tenderizer. So it will cook. If those who's asking me what is a tenderizer, those are the one that you use to make the meat cook faster. So that's how is it. So and
That's what
instead-
they actually use before the wedding,
Right?
before they go on honeymoon.
Don't mind that, guys. Don't mind it. Don't mind. That's just a background. Let's just think that that's a background.
My husband is, okay, let's continue. So, we love coffee, I love coffee, but we prefer to buy packet because you can control the amount. I experienced to buy the bottles, and I try to compare it here. No. So I prefer to buy the small packets, then you can control one packet one time. So, I bought this one also. It's 10 rupees each, 10 rupees each. So, I bought that one, and soap powder, and this one is just for the daily use. My husband normally, anytime I can ask him or I can just walk and buy it from the shop. So, I just need to wash some clothes tomorrow, and so with shampoo and conditioner. So that's it. These are the items that I bought in the small shop. So that's it, guys.
Okay, so that's it for today, guys. And for those of you who are new to my channel, there's not much of interesting, right?
I need a beer.
Anyway, yeah. So, yeah, you have. For those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, put your comment below, and please hit the bell notification to get notified with my new